Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this afternoon from the NYSC, and I'm in a very great mood. You know why, right? Because it's the return of Matt Harvey for the New York Mets this afternoon in spring training baseball. That also means spring's around the corner. And I'm also in a good mood because it's a Friday, guys. That means the weekend is right around the corner. And as usual with ModernWallStreet.com, we're going to get it started a little bit earlier. So grab yourself a drink, lift it up, and say cheers. It's an early edition of Happy Hour here in New York City. U.S. stocks trading lower Friday as investors took in February's jobs report that did indicate an interest rate hike could come sooner rather than later. Now, this session, all about data, as the jobs report showed a gain of 295,000 jobs. That was above expectations calling for 240,000 in February, but down from 257,000 in January. Now, the unemployment rate, that fell to 5.5% from 5.7%, and hourly wages, they were on the upside, 0.1%. And the trade balance for the month of January, that also came in at $41.75 billion. That's a decrease from December's $45.6 billion read. Now you combine that with a strong U.S. dollar, oil prices rising steadily above $50 a barrel on Middle East supply disruptions, and gold prices slightly in the red, and you have yourself a session where 3 stocks decline for every advancer over at the New York Stock Exchange, which is right behind me right now. Let's take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to not only close out the session, but the week as well. And now on to corporate news. Big story today. Apple expected to join the Dow Jones Industrial Average on March 18th, replacing AT&T. Shares of the iPhone maker gaining about 1% to trade below recent highs, while the wireless services provider, AT&T, falling more than 1%. And Staples reporting a 3.7% fall in quarterly sales as a stronger U.S. dollar and weak demand for computers and accessories continued to hurt profits for the company. So there you have it. Kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink, stay warm. It's actually pretty nice outside in the city. And we have a big sports weekend ahead. Besides Matt Harvey today, we have Brooklyn Nets basketball on Sunday, and we also have NASCAR. So with that stated, enjoy the weekend. I'll see you guys all on Monday morning. For ModernWallStreet.com, I'm James Sweeney. Guess what? It's also a Friday, so you know what that means. We're getting it started early. We're going to get it started right. That's right, guys. It's time for your ModernWallStreet.com. I messed it up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.